Indices today had tried to post a little recovery coming up from the sharp drop and lows towards 38,550 and 17,860 levels. So now what to expect from Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones today? Yes, the NFP data will definitely add lot much of volatility, and then the US session. So what to expect, how to profit trading Nasdaq and Dow, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. Those who watched the first update must have already profited. Thus, subscribe and press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment, which is a great motivation. As join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. And yes, join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into Tech 100 followed with Dow Jones Watch. Now, see what Tech 100 has done so far. The drop here. This is the retracement, and see this is very much gradual here. It is still not confirming a reversal, as see gradual rise can lead to a sharper fall. Thus we have to be very careful. This rise is just cool down or moderate the extremely bearish indicators. Now if you look at the 20 period moving average and the Bollinger Bands here are going to remain the resistances which it needs to break past by. Thus 17,970, 17,990, or rather I will say 17,970 and 18,000 levels are going to remain the first resistance zone which Tech 100 need to break past by, and then I will look forward to 18,040, 18,100 levels at the next milestone, and then you can confirm that a complete recovery is seen. Else you can see it is posting. See, if you connect the dots here, the lows are beautifully aligned while the highs are almost. So this is an expanding triangle. You can see these peaks, and if it rises from here, it is going to be an extreme one as well. These are markets, anything and everything is possible. You should keep that in mind. Thus, we have to buy here at 17,970. Wait for, see, 17,970, 17,990 zone is where, or rather let me say 17,970 and 18,000 is the zone where we have maximum resistance here for Nasdaq. Beyond that, we are looking forward to 18,050, 18,080 levels, the next resistance, and if it stays above 18,150, the next targets. Stochastic here is overbought. Look at MACD, it has crossed over at the bottom. It is trading with slight divergence, looking upwards, staying bullish. RSI just come out of the oversold zone. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts, one thing you should note is that till now we are looking at higher lows and higher highs. Now, if you look at these three candles, the last three candles, we have seen Tech 100 shying away from 17,960 levels. Thus, it has to break beyond 17,970, beyond which we can look forward to 18,000, and if it stays above 18,000, we are looking forward to 18,040 and 50, and then 18,100 levels. Else it is still not to be treated bullish. Also look at the formation here. See what has happened to drop, slight retracement, then a stronger recovery here, then a bigger drop, and now it is on the path of recovery. Possibilities there, it can continue to recover. Stochastic overbought, MACD is bearish, trying to converge, RSI is staying flat. Coming to 3 hour, look at the 3 hour charts. See, bullishness getting diminished, but I am focused on these four candles. Now, these four candles have made a very strong support here at 17,880. See, none of the candles closed below 17,880. Though the bullishness has got diminished, but if it stays above 17,970, you can say we can look forward to a good recovery. Else, it is still not to be treated bullish here. I will be personally looking forward to 18,000, 18,100 levels if it continues to recover from the current levels. The stochastic rising from the oversold, MACD is bearish, RSI is flat. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour charts as well, yes, higher lows are done. It can possibly recover a bit, but 18,050, 18,100 levels is something you should watch out for. Then 18,150, and if it stays above this, you can say a complete recovery cannot be denied here. Look, it has formed double bottom, it has shown a reversal sign, and it is trying to rise. But my only worry point is the two candles which has come with a diminishing body size. Stochastic oversold, MACD bearish, RSI flat. Coming to daily. Now look at daily charts, and before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my 30th mentorship batch starting 8th of April. Do not miss to join this opportunity where we are going to share all the key concepts, trading strategies, trade setups, which can help, with the help of which you can trade, identify all the profitable trades with these. Also, you can trade profitably. So do not miss this opportunity. Join the mentorship batch today itself. Limited seats are available. Register yourself now. Else you can be part of my signals channel of Telegram, where we are easily getting 200, 300 points a day, combining Nasdaq and Dow Jones together. Thus, do not miss to join the signals channel as well. Write an email or ping me on Telegram for any of your queries related to the services. My contact details are there in the channel and video description. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker which is safe, secure, trustworthy, which offers a swap free account with the lowest spreads, where you can trade all the instruments from the globe, sitting anywhere in the globe. You can find the recommended broker link in the channel and video description. Do not miss to join. And if you are joining through the link, you will get the lowest spread. So why to waste your money paying higher spreads? Do join this. Now coming to the daily chart. See, on the daily charts, one thing to note is, see, prices have come to take the support from the 50 period moving average here. See, it has formed a double bottom and it is trying to recover here. Now, see, double forming the double bottom, a recovery can be expected, but one must notice the first part here is, this is a reversal which has come from the flat top, and this suggests, and the closing at bottom suggests that there could be continuation of bearishness where the prices can try to trade lower. You have to be very careful here. See, if it gives a breakout, also one must notice, so far tech 100 has been trading in this box for last 1 month, you can, or more than a month. You can see this was the end of March, where it has found the support at 17,800, and till the month of April we are just looking at tech 100 trading between 17,800 to 18,400. Yes, it has been trading in the zone and it can again continue to do so. Thus still we are not treating this as bearish, as long as 17,800, 17,780 levels are respected. The stochastic has dropped. MACD is trading with divergence in bearish and RSI is flat. So looking, first I'll recommend a buy at 17,970, where you can look forward to 18,000 levels. Now this complete zone between 17,970 to 18,000 is going to play a critical role. Beyond 18,000 we are looking at 18,050, and then if it stays above 18,050, 18,080 zone, we are looking forward to the next target at 18,150. Yes, a complete recovery cannot be denied. These are markets, anything and everything is possible. We have seen specifically tech 100 trading in the box. On the downside, a selling entry is, see, beyond 18,150, sky the limit. Keep trailing, keep enjoying. You can look forward to 18,240 levels and 300 levels as well. The sharper the drop, the stronger can be the recovery. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry only and only. You see tech 100 trading below 17,900. If you see it is staying below 17,900, trail with 20 points as long as 17,840 is not taken, and rather I will say 17,780. 17,780 is the milestone tech 100 needs to break. If it stays below 17,780, you can say now the bears will be taking over, and we are looking forward to a good drop which can take the prices towards 17,600, 17,500 levels in the near future. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. US30 on the hourly charts, forming a double bottom, forming a stronger support. It is trying to retrace. It has come towards the 20 period moving average here, close to 20 period moving average, sitting at around 38,750, which is going to be the first resistance zone for US30. Beyond 38,750, we are looking forward to a very good rise, which can in fact take it till towards 38,900 levels. Now see, if you look at the formation here, the drop, the retracement, the drop, the retracement, it can continue to do or continue to move towards the highs of it. Where are the highs? These are towards 39,200, 39,300 zone. This is the zone which it needs to break in order to confirm a reversal here, 39,200, 300. Now can it move towards those? That is a question we need to look at. Now, if you look at hourly chart, certainly it is showing slight bullishness. Stochastic is also overbought. The MACD has crossed over here at the bottom and it is trading with divergence looking upwards, staying bullish. RSI coming out of the oversold zone. Coming to 2 hour chart. If you look at 2 hour charts here, yes, double bottom, with the double bottom, it is showing a rise. And see, one must notice the scope here, 38,880, 900. It has a scope till towards this zone. In fact, I will look forward to a further rise which can in fact take it till towards 38,900 as well. Do not miss this. Yes, it can continue to do so, moving towards 38,900 and 39,000 levels, and from those levels again a drop cannot be denied. Though the highs of this channel, if you look at, if you just connect, I have shared on the hourly chart, the highs of this channel is somewhere here at around 39,200. Possibility is there that it can show a recovery. Stochastic overbought, MACD trying to converge crossover, RSI coming out of the oversold zone. On the 3 hour, similar observation here. Yes, it is trying to reach, and the rise could be stronger. The divergence of the price from the moving average calls for it to converge, which means 38,900, 39,000 zone is a probable target. Stochastic coming out of the oversold zone, MACD bearish, RSI coming out of the oversold zone here as well. And the observation is similar on the 4 hour charts, reversal sign, third bullish candle, And once it stays beyond 38,750, 780 zone, we can say we are looking forward to another 100 points here. The stochastic oversold trying to recover MACD bearish RSI oversold and coming out of the oversold zone. Coming to the daily charts, if you look at the daily charts, if we have seen extreme bearishness here in US30, and after forming the double bottom, it is trying to recover today. Possibility is that it can try to continue with the slight recovery. However, it has to stay above 39,200, 300 zone in order to confirm the rise. Also, one must notice what US30 has done. See, it was trading in the box, it has achieved the higher highs, and it has again fallen back within the box here. So it could continue to trade here for a while before taking a direction. So do not treat this as either bearish as of now. Stochastic oversold, MACD divergent and bearish, and RSI has dropped. So considering this, buying entries at 39,750 can be, or 38,750 can be taken, but 750, 780 you should watch out for. Then beyond that, we are looking forward to 38,880, 900 as the first target, 38,970, 39,000 levels is the next target, and if it stays above 39,000, the stay bullish 39,100, 39,200, 39,300 levels can be expected. These are markets. The sharper the drop can lead to sharper the rise. Be careful, be watchful. On the downside, a selling entry is only and only if you see US30 staying below 38,600 and then 38,550 zone. If it stays below these two levels, just stay bearish. We are looking forward to a sharper drop, which can take it till towards 38,500 first target, 38,400 the next one. Below 38,400 is where you will see the bears which are going to take it further down towards 38,200, and then in the near future we are looking forward to 37,800, 38,000 levels. So take your positions accordingly. Be careful. Trade with a stop loss. Trade with a trading stop loss. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your queries related to my services. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. See you again tomorrow with the weekly reviews and daily with the Asia and Europe session update and the US session update. Do watch both. Thank